If trade is the visible front, then technology and supply chains are where an invisible war is unfolding long, slow-burning, but immensely brutal. Behind every electronic component, every semiconductor chip, every shipment of rare earths lies the defining question of the 21st century: who controls the future? During the 90-day tariff pause, the flow of goods between the US and China was temporarily restored. But experts know, trust in supply chains can't be rebuilt with a short-term deal. In fact, this period has only accelerated global corporations' push for strategic decoupling. They're no longer asking, when will the US and China reconcile? They're now asking, how do we exit China and who replaces it? Technology is the epicenter. Major firms like Nvidia, Apple, Intel, Tesla are deeply reliant on Chinese manufacturing and assembly. But with export controls, the CHIPS Act, and bans on high-tech exports, they're being forced to diversify. TSMC is building new fabs in the US and Japan. Samsung is expanding in India. Foxconn is betting big on Vietnam. Rare earths and critical materials, the stealth weapon. China has previously threatened to cut off rare earth exports vital for EVs, batteries, radars, and AI. In this 90-day window, Beijing suspended the ban but offered no long-term guarantee. The US, Japan, and the EU are racing to secure alternative supplies from Africa, Australia, Canada, and notably, Vietnam. Supply chain realignment. Vietnam, India, Mexico, and Indonesia are emerging as strategic alternatives. Foreign direct investment is flowing to regions with political stability, competitive labor, and proximity to major consumer markets. Vietnam, in particular, stands out in electronics, supporting industries, and semiconductor assembly. What are the long-term implications? This isn't just about shifting factories, it's about redrawing the map of global industrial power. The US wants to control both inputs and outputs, from raw materials to design, manufacturing, and consumption. China is pushing for complete technological self-reliance, developing domestic alternatives to US technologies. Caught between these two giants, developing countries, especially Vietnam, are no longer just investment destinations. They are becoming strategic crossroads in the 21st century economic landscape.